Recently, Google released practice feature in Google Translate app. In this video, we will see demo of speaking option within practice feature of Google Translate app. So let's go on mobile screen. Open Google Translate app in your mobile phone and then click on practice feature. Now click on get started option. Choose the language in which you want to practice. I am selecting German. Now tap on basic option because we are learning first time German language. Now tap on next option. Here you can choose your goal from random option. Now tap on start practicing. Again tap on practice. In previous video I have selected listening option. Now I will select speaking option. We will try to speak German. Click on start conversation option. Now click on this speaker icon to listen pronunciation of this sentence. Then we will speak by tapping on this mic icon.
Guten Tag, ich verstehe. Sie warten auf Ihren Mann und den Flug. Guten Tag, ich verstehe. Sie warten auf Ihren Mann und den Flug.
Now I am clicking on this mic icon to pronunciate this sentence. Let's see what will happen. Guten Tag, ich verstehe. Sie warten auf Ihren Mann und den Flug. Now wait for some seconds. It's processing. This is new sentence. Again tap on speaker icon to listen pronunciation of this sentence.
Ich heiße Anna Weber. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Anna Weber. Wie heißen Sie?
Now tap on mic icon to pronunciate this word. Ich heiße Anna Weber. Wie heißen Sie?
Klaus, freut mich.
Here you can see our speaking score is also appearing. You can tap on retry or next speaking activity. If you want to know how this speaking score is calculated, simply click on this icon. Here it's showing this score is calculated based on how appropriate your response are in the context of the conversation and how likely they are to be understood by a listener. So I am going to stop this video. We will meet in next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.